Say hi.
Yeah.
Hi. You can go biking, George? Yeah? You wanna go biking? Yeah. Should we go vroom vroom? Should we go boom boom boom? Boom boom. Whoa. Oh, it is a little baby cow, huh? You see the cows? Say hi, cow.
No.
Moo.
No.
Moo.
No.
You coming, Joe? You doing okay, Jordy?
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna get a little steep here, Joe.
Oh. Oh. This is kind of a deep hill.
I know, it's gonna go down now.
Hey, let go. Hold on. Should we go? Should we go vroom vroom? Should we go vroom vroom?
Hey,
Oh, there's Mom.
fast.
Should we go by Mom? Here we go. Ooh. Say hi, Mom. Pick your feet up, go fast. Good job.
Take some speed and then put your feet up.
Good job. Oh, you're going fast. Say bye, cows.
Bye, cows. I saw a bouquet trees last year when I was a baby.
Yeah, when you were a baby.
When I was a little tiny baby.
Yeah.
And I ride with Mom. And he'll come too.
We're gonna go over a bridge.
Woo. That is a bumpy bridge.
That's a bumpy bridge, huh?
That is a butterfly.
See the butterfly?
Yeah.
Wow!
I'm having fun.
You're having fun? You miss riding with Dad?
Yeah.
No, we gotta go for it.
I missed doing news on your bike ride.
Whoa!
I missed doing on your bike ride last year.
You miss me when I'm on my bike ride?
When I was a baby.
Yeah.
Ah, that is a molehill.
Yeah. Look at the sunflowers. Whoa! Ow, they hurt.
Cause sketchy?
They're kind of scratchy, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, those flowers are kind of sketchy.
Yeah, they're kind of scratchy. Huh?
Yeah, and they're kind of sketchy.
They're kind of sketchy. Yeah.
There's more.
More sunflowers. Ow.
There's that hole.
See, Mom?
Yeah.
There she is. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
You see Jordy too? Hi, Jordy.
Hi, Daddy.
Let me get a picture of you guys.
Now where's Mom now? Where's Mom now?
She's beating us. We gotta go catch her.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice in here.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
Yeah. This is like a tree house.
Like a tree house?
Yeah.
Yeah.